Joining us now is BJP's General Secretary, Mr. Ram Madhav. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. First question to you. Of course, it's a huge, successful operation which was carried out today by the joint forces. But do you think this is the culmination of a concerted effort by the forces to eliminate terror from the valley? Because it's not now, they've been hunting the Burhan Brigade for years now.
Undoubtedly. It is a very befitting tribute to our martyrs who have laid down their lives 2 days ago fighting terrorists in the valley. You are right that it is a very well coordinated operation between the very famous Rashtriya Rifles, RR, and CRPF and Jammu Kashmir Police. And this guy, Riaz Naiku, had been leading this Hizbul Mujahideen group in the valley ever since our forces had succeeded in eliminating the successor of Burhan Wani. Now, people remember Burhan Wani. Subsequent to Burhan Wani, there was one more fellow by name Ghaznavi. He was eliminated in 2017, sometime in August. Since then, in the last more than 2.5 years or around 3 years, Riaz Naiku was leading that group. And today, our forces have succeeded in eliminating Riaz Naiku. It's a great achievement. You know, one indicator of it may be a coincidence. Probably the target has hit the right place. Just an hour back, you have seen Mr. Imran Khan, Prime Minister of Pakistan, issuing two tweets calling the international community to take note of India's operation in Kashmir Valley, etc., etc. I mean, it has hit bullseye.
But Mr. Ram Madhav, I agree with you. Imran Khan has put out an immature tweet again trying to spin half-truths and complete lies. But what about those within our own country, Mr. Ram Madhav? The lobby's already come out mourning the death of this man, Riaz Naiku, who has the blood of innocent Kashmiris on its hand. What about them?
No, that is the tragedy with sections of Indian population, Indian leadership. I mean, those people include people very high up in political hierarchy as well. It is so unfortunate that they don't actually think before they tweet. We have leaders who are always thoughtless, known to be thoughtless, and they tweet in a manner that would actually support the separatist or secessionist elements in the valley. But let me tell you, this success today is going to be a hugely advantageous thing for us in our fight against terrorism in Kashmir Valley. As far as the forces in India who are mourning, some are probably, I don't know who will mourn openly, but they must be feeling bad internally, but they should know that Indian security forces are capable of tackling this whole menace. Let me tell you, when summers begin, normally militancy and terrorism rises in the valley. The numbers go up. There is a hard, great effort by Pakistan to push more and more infiltrators into India. In the last month or so, more than 100 to 150 attempts were made to push people across the border into India. Largely, our security forces have succeeded in thwarting those efforts. I'm sure we will continue to eliminate those forces in the summer period of next 3-4 months.
Mr. Ram Madhav, you said God knows who's going to be glorifying someone like Riaz Naiku, who was the commander of the Burhan gang. A quick reminder, when it came to the neutralization of Burhan Wani, there was Omar Abdullah, who came out and said Burhan's the new icon of dissatisfied community. Mehbooba Mufti gave 4 lakh rupees compensation to Burhan Wani's family, and then she said that we should have given Burhan Wani a second chance. Do you think it is this lobby which actively also abets and emboldens terrorists such as this, who have mercilessly targeted not just security forces but even Kashmiris?
As far as Mehbooba Mufti is concerned, she has already declared in one of her tweets that we have made a mistake in 1947 by deciding to join in India and supporting the then decision of Maharaja Har Singh by Sheikh Abdullah at that time. She called it a big mistake by Kashmiris. This was a recent tweet I'm talking about. So I won't be surprised if tomorrow or later today you get a tweet from Mehbooba Mufti's Twitter handle, whoever is handling that handle, managing that handle now, shedding tears for Riaz Naiku. But as far as the others are concerned, they should realize that Riaz Naiku is a dreaded terrorist. Hizbul Mujahideen is a banned organization in the valley. And, his elimination is actually in the interest of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, in the interest of peace and stability in the valley.
Mr. Ram Madhav, would you say that finally with the elimination of the entire Burhan Wani gang, that we can now say that the Handwara martyrs have been avenged, that India struck and struck hard?
Of course, the Burhan Wani group, in which Riaz Naiku and one or two of his associates for the last, if I would say, remnants of that dispensation establishment were eliminated today. But remember, Pakistan will continue to try and push terrorists across the border into Kashmir. The information so far available suggests that about a dozen of them are still there in the valley, who have crossed over from Pakistan side. They are the ones who are indulging in certain terror incidents in the last month or so. You have noticed the spurt in terror incidents in last 1 month. This fight has to continue. We have to be vigilant. We have to guard our borders strictly, which of course our forces are doing. And we have to continue our fight against terror in the valley until the last terrorist is neutralized. The fight has to continue.
The fight has to continue, but what's going to be your message to the backers of the Burhan Wani brigade, and now likely to continue to give their backing to separatist organizations such as theirs?
No, as I said, these backers were there 3 years ago. You probably would find a couple of them again coming out and supporting, are probably shedding tears for Riaz Naiku now also. But largely people of Kashmir today are happy with the present political situation in the valley. They no longer want to go back to the days of more terror, more deaths of innocent Kashmiris. They don't want any such thing. I think those people will ultimately prevail. It is in the larger interest of the people of Kashmir. It is in the larger interest of the peace and stability and livelihood of people of Kashmir that we should end terror. That is the bigger message that people of Jammu and Kashmir also are taking from all these measures of Government of India.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Ram Madhav, for joining us. A stern message there going out from the BJP government that all backers beware. It's time to save lives of Indian and to avenge our martyrs. Riaz Naiku was just an example. Thank you so much, Mr. Ram Madhav, for joining us here on Times Now. Well, with that, a short break. Don't go